Melly. The other one's Arthur. This is all your fault. Where is my brother? Hey, keep your voice down.
E aí, galerinha,
You don't need it.
estamos de volta aqui com Plague Tale Innocence. Bora continuar, né? Tô gravando mais cedo hoje, como eu prometi, mas eu tô cansado igual. Academia tá acabando comigo, velho. Foda.
Arthur will make him move. What? How? A distraction. He's waiting for us to tell him where and what, so keep your eyes open. These bottles. No, he'll just block us. The jugs. Not very well placed. The cart. That'll do the trick. Get ready. For what? To follow me. So he's your brother. Come on.
Estão perto da minha situação esses caras. Os irmãos fugindo aí, né? Então.
Hugo is alone with those butchers. They won't hurt him. You don't understand. If he's afraid, you have to be patient.
Where the hell are these bloody rats coming from?
We have to clear the way.
No. Rats have decimated Valois villages. Thousands of deaths have been reported from bites.
The barrel with the spears. Well done. Get ready to go.
And this is just the beginning.
There's no room for...
Get your Arthur. Let's go.
Mas aqui, tipo, só um olha sempre, né? Tipo, os outros não.
Watch out for the bottles.
Nossa, derrubar a garrafa aqui, deu.
Be careful.
What a pain having to wait between barrels. Those two over there with their bows now. Gonna drive me bonkers.
Stay down. All right.
Nossa, seria errar a mira. Para que ele voltar, a gente vai.
Let's go.
Tudo bem que só eu escuto esse barulho do mato balançando, né? Eu tô igual aquele tio, aqueles pai que vê ficção, né? Que mentirada.
Well spotted.
All you need is a torch to get rid of him. Bye bye, rats.
Now, left.
Just be careful. We need you alive.
Yeah.
What sort of prisoner is worth such a high ransom?
Valois children. Son and daughter of the knight Robert de Roux.
Knight of a tree, more like. His fighting skills from the time of the war are legendary, but he's no longer in the service of King Philip.
It is rather odd to be so interested in the children.
Why don't you go ask the sister some questions? She must be awake.
Oh no, don't worry. It was bound to happen.
Já que eu não prestei atenção na conversa, eu não entendi porque que eles estão querendo um moleque.
Let's see. This. Not bad at all. What are you doing? This is not the time. I'm making your rescue profitable. That's what I'm doing. What about this chest? I saw powder, probably for alchemy. Useless. I can use it. If you want me to open it, just say. Would you, please? There you go. Enjoy. Well done. Come on, I'm coming.
Preciso de uma mesa, preciso pegar a ferramenta.
Ellie, not that way. There are loads of them.
É com as garrafas.
We're running out of bread and wine.
Cheio de álcool.
It's the same story each time we win a battle.
You're crazy. What? We got through, didn't we? Just. My brother looks like it. Quickly.
Coming to get you. Soon you'll be far away from here.
Amicia, where is she?
Bastards, the bastards. Calm
We're gonna
down.
keep her with us, right, guys?
No,
Hey.
no, please don't.
The girl!
Just be
the girl!
thankful you're still alive. Not. Huh? What do you mean, the girl? Come on, spit it out.
The girl's escaped! Her cage is open, everyone's looking for her!
Shit! Spread out! Watch the doors and stay on your toes. A cage doesn't just open like that. Might be the Valor's doing.
Now's the time.
Mas assim, now's the time. Ainda começou a andar igual louco ali, não entendi nada.
Hugo, I'm here.
Amicia!
Are you alright? Are you hurt?
No, get me out, please.
We have to get that cage down. It's alright, Hugo. Listen, my sling. Did they have it when they locked you up?
Yes, they put it in the trunk, there.
Right.
Essa aqui, né?
Melly, can you look after it?
Coisa aqui, ó.
Amicia, come back.
Calm
Filha
down,
da
we're fine.
puta. Tu tá aí sozinho esse tempo inteiro, irmão.
Shit, I don't believe it. We're fucked.
É brincadeira esse cara, mano.
Finally. Now, Hugo, I need to get the cage down.
Como eu vou fazer isso? Nossa.
Fortunately, they are busy. Melly, the lock.
É que tem uma bandida aqui com a gente. Aí, isso que faz de tudo, né?
They said someone's going to take me.
It's alright, Hugo. We're going to get out of here.
I want a team of the eastbound part.
Amicia,
Oh,
they said they were going to take me away, and I wouldn't see you again.
well, now you know that's not true. I'm here,
We're staying together, right?
of course. And we're going to go with Melly. She's here to help us.
She's the thief.
And she's sorry she turned us in earlier. Aren't you, Melly? Yeah, I'm a bad girl. Happy now? Can we go? Take my hand, Hugo. Let's get going.
Yes,
There's a way out at the far end of the camp. If you really know how to use that sling, you'd better go first. Uh-huh.
The tent. Search those tents.
Massa que, tipo, pararam de ir ali no moleque, né? Tipo, vamos atrás da menina. O cara mais importante aqui, que era pra gente... Ai, que susto. Puta. O cara mais importante aqui, que é pra gente cuidar, deixa quieto, né? Interessante, né? Bom, deixa eu voltar aqui. Eu não tenho esse bagulho aqui, velho. Preciso achar essa bosta, mano. Porra. Tanta coisa que daria pra melhorar, mano. Não dá, velho. Que eu não acho essa parada, cara. Que desgraça. Opa. Oi.
What's that then? What the hell are you doing? shy, eh? Come on, let's settle this face to face. There's all that noise. Got some suspects here. Get a shift on.
Foda, né? Ai, esse cara apareceu do nada, cara. Isso que é foda, mano. Agora pra saber o que que eu fiz aqui. O que que aconteceu enquanto o jogo salvava. O cara ali fica rondando, tá ligado?
Soldiers, report.
Still nothing. Are you sure she didn't leave the camp? Spread out, split up, and search the tents.
Stay here, waiting for your signal. The coast is clear. Yes.
That sound. What was it?
Amor. Sério que não dá pra passar. Meu Deus, o jogo deu uma travada violenta, menino. Puta que pariu. Jogo é pesadinho, hein? Aquele ali. Ah, eu vou ter que voltar, tacar a pedra de novo lá do outro lado. Meio chato isso, né? Mas fazer o quê? Essa menina sai do meio da... Vai, irmão. E o outro já tá voltando, cara. Oh, meu Deus. Oh, chatice. Oh, meu Deus. Chatice, chatice. Chato demais, cara. Vai embora. Tá maluco. Que bugou essa desgraça, mano. E aí, cara?
Now you got me angry.
Eu vou só vazar, mano. Tá muito perigoso ali pra eu ficar mexendo. Felizmente perdemos o loot, mas é um loot muito complicado. O cara ali atrás ia ver a gente e tal. Meu Deus.
Oh well, probably for the best.
Eu não sei pra onde a gente tem que ir, né? Isso é um problema bem grande. Era pra cá, pelo vídeo. O cara que matou o pai dela.
I pay a ransom for the Daron children, and I have to capture them myself. These Plantagenets are useless.
He killed my parents. He's going to slaughter us.
Belly, run!
cara, mano.
Guards ahead. Take them out, Amicia. The Inquisition. What the hell did you do? Nothing. We didn't do anything. They want you to get out of here. This is our way out. Hurry. Don't slow down, Hugo. Follow Melly.
Quickly!
Bora.
Don't let them get you.
Running!
Amicia!
Deliver Hugo to
I'm
us!
coming.
They're coming up!
We don't have much time. Do it. Quick. Locked. Shit. Done. Let's go.
You hear that? What the hell is it?
Watch it to the left. Get
Tell me
down.
the French are counterattacking.
No idea, but I don't like it. I'm going up to look.
Be careful.
There's a guy coming up.
Where did that sound come from?
Aí complicou.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
That looks like our way out.
There's a chain. Melly.
Abre essa porra, Melly.
Come on.
Break down that door! Move!
They opened the door! They're here!
I'll take care of them.
There's nowhere for you to go out there.
Amicia, come on.
Meu Deus. Aí fudeu.
Amicia!
Caralho, que porra.
It's Arthur. We have to hurry. Let's go.
Mas ela é muito inteligente, mano. Sinceramente. E já foi o capítulo.
Do you know where we're going? Right now, we have to hide. Arthur and I know a place. And Lucas, he's waiting at your chateau. All in good time.
We're going to see Lucas again.
I hope so.
I like Lucas. He's nice.
Save your breath, Hugo.
Pescoço desse
We're
menino,
on the
cara.
right track. Let's keep moving. We're not safe yet.
Bom, já acabou mais um capítulo. O vídeo ficou extremamente curto, então para compensar eu vou botar outro vídeo hoje com o próximo capítulo. E é isso. Fiquem ligados que mais tarde vai sair mais um vídeo com o próximo capítulo e é isso. Quando o vídeo for curto assim, eu vou fazer isso pra dar uma ajudada, né? Porque senão é paia, né? O vídeo...
remind you that the guards are right behind us.
Calmou, pô. Tô acabando o vídeo aqui. E é isso. Até mais tarde e falhou!